We transform real-world fashion items into stunning digital assets for the gaming and virtual world industries. The gaming industry needs content, and at Naked, we provide fashion assets to meet that demand. Clients share their fashion item URLs with us. Our AI engine not only segments in seconds, it provides digital and game-ready assets in moments. Our clients love the seamless integration and the boost in engagement. Models are stored securely and are accessible anytime through our platform. Talk to Naked today and revolutionize your game content strategy.